Hello, welcome back to Days. We are back with an Andhra Murukku recipe, which is a ring shaped murukku which can be kept for almost 1 month. Main ingredient is rice flour, so we need 1 cup of rice flour. If you don't have a measuring cup, you may use a large coffee mug to measure. To this, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Now we'll start adding the spices. First of all, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is added for a color, which is optional. Next is 1 teaspoon red chili powder. The quantity of red chili powder can be adjusted according to your taste. Next is half teaspoon cumin seed powder. Then a 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida and 1 teaspoonful salt. Mix them all really well. To this we have to add a 1/4 cup of hot water and combine it really well. Now add 1 teaspoon of ghee and then carefully knead it with your hands. So make sure you are very careful doing this because the dough is already very hot because we have added hot water to it. We need not add more water, just knead well to make the entire dough moist. To allow it to rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can see that the dough has become soft. Apply some oil in your hand and take some dough and roll it to get this shape. Place it on the rolling board and we have to roll it out. Using both the hands, gently stretch and roll the dough from the mid portion towards the end. What we need is an even shape throughout. After you roll it out nice and thin, we have to cut it. Using a knife, cut it and join the edges like this. Make the entire batch of the dough in the similar method. Make sure you apply some oil on the plate which you are keeping your. Now heat oil in a pan kept over medium heat and place the murukku one by one. So a high heat will not let the murukku get cooked in the inside, and if we keep it in a lower flame, there are chances that the oil will get absorbed inside the murukku, so we have to keep it on a medium flame. Gently stir and fry till the entire murukku is crispy. Once it is crispy, we can remove it from the oil. If you are watching this channel for the first time, subscribe, and then if you like it, please like the video and then share it with your friends also. Thank you for watching.